Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing great. I'm back with a new video and we are starting strong with a DIY room decor video. I had so much fun filming all of these. They're super cute and very aesthetically pleasing. Let me know in a comment down below which DIY is your favorite. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. I will be also posting new videos over on my second channel, so if you guys want to go check that out, I will have it linked below. And also, if you guys can follow me on TikTok, that would be amazing. My username is allthingsnim. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, without any further ado now, let's get started with today's video. Alrighty, for the first DIY, I'm going to be making the cutest trinket box you've ever seen. It's basically going to be a couch and two little Kirby's on top playing video games. That is the design idea that I had in my head, and we are going to be making that today. For this DIY, you're going to need air dry clay. I got mine from the dollar store. I rolled it out and I'm going to cut out some rectangles. So you're going to need one piece for the back of the couch, so it's one big rectangle. Then you're going to need a thinner piece, which is going to be on the front of the couch. You will also need a rectangle for the bottom of the couch, and then two, these are kind of like squares for the sides. I don't really have measurements for this. I honestly should have, but I kind of went by feeling here. I don't know, I just thought that this would be a good size. But if you guys do want the measurements, let me know and I will let you know in a comment. I'm going to attach all 5 of the pieces together, and now you can kind of see which each clay piece is for. I'm going to set that aside and start working on the cushion. So you're going to need 2 cushions, one for the top and one for the bottom. Now to put the bottom cushion in place, I'm going to make this little cube and I'm going to attach it to the base of the couch so that there's some support for it. And then I'm going to start working on the top piece. So I just made the same thing and now I'm going to add some indents to it just so that it kind of looks more like a couch. Make sure that you really secure the top and bottom piece very well together. I'm going to set that aside and now start working on the little Kirby's. I made 2 identical Kirby's that are holding like a GameCube controller. You can make any controller that you want. Then all you want to do is let this air dry. It might take 2 days for the couch to dry because it is a bigger piece. And once it's completely dry, you can start painting it. This is always hands down my favorite part. I enjoy painting very much. So I am using some light blue acrylic paint for the couch. Again, you can do any color that you want, and you might need to do about 2 to 3 layers of paint depending on what brand you're using. Just make sure to let each layer dry before you move on to the next. And now I'm going to paint on the little Kirby's. So like I said, this is a GameCube controller. That's why we are going to paint the controllers purple. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory at this point. I'm just going to add on the details and make it look all nice and cute. I'm going to attach the little Kirby's onto the couch using some super glue, and the last step is to apply your glaze. You can also use resin, which honestly I feel like I should go ahead and do a layer of resin on the couch. I think that would make it look really nice. But this is the glaze that I use, and I did about 3 coats of it. And here is the trinket box all done. As you can see, it opens up and you can place your jewelry or whatever you want inside of it. And I really love the way this turned out. I'm very happy with it. And I think I'm going to make more of these, but in different designs. For the second DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make the cutest little hamster that you can put on your desk or pretty much anywhere in your room. It's like a decorative little piece, so you can add flowers or leaves in it. And for this DIY, again, we are using air dry clay, and I made the little hamster's body, and then I'm going to pierce a hole on the top so you can actually put flowers in it. And then I'm going to pop on the ears. So the little hamster is going to be holding a sunflower seed in its hands. And I made like a little sunflower for that. And then we just popped in the little feet. And once you're happy with the shape, you can go ahead and let it air dry completely. Once it's all dried, you can go ahead and start painting it however you like. So I went ahead and first did 2 coats of white acrylic paint, and now I'm just going to add in the details with like this beige color, and I finally added on the face with some black acrylic paint. To seal in the paint and give it a nice shine, go ahead and apply 2 to 3 coats of some glaze. And here it is all done. I went ahead and I added some dried flowers inside, as you can see, and I think it turned out super cute. For the final DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paintbrush holder. You can also use this to hold your pencils, pens, paintbrushes, whatever you want. So this is going to look like a puppy. That's why I'm going to go ahead and take some air dry clay and make its head and body. I'm going to attach both of the pieces together, and then we're going to add a tail and its feet. We cannot forget its ears, so I went ahead and quickly popped those on, and then you want to let this air dry overnight. So I'm going to paint the whole thing with some white acrylic paint and just add on a face. And here is the final DIY all done, and that is it for this video. Let me know in a comment down below which DIY was your favorite. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.